Anxiety attack. Symptoms, causes, and complications. Anxiety can manifest through physical symptoms like faster breathing, nausea, dizziness, and headaches. It's often a reaction to stress, but can also occur without an identifiable stressor. Anxiety attacks and panic attacks may seem similar, but differ in intensity and duration. Anxiety attacks usually develop gradually, while panic attacks occur suddenly and peak within minutes. Symptoms of an anxiety attack can include feeling lightheaded, restlessness, sweating, and a fast heartbeat. These symptoms are often less intense than those of a panic attack. Panic attacks involve intense physical symptoms and feelings of imminent danger or loss of control. They can happen unexpectedly, even when a person is calm. Both anxiety and panic attacks share common symptoms like fear, a racing heart, and nausea. However, panic attack symptoms are more severe and can mimic conditions like heart disease. Anxiety is typically linked to a specific worry or stressor and builds up over time. Panic attacks, on the other hand, start abruptly and can happen without any obvious cause. Anxiety may persist for a longer period, while panic attacks are short-lived, lasting between 5–20 minutes, with effects that can linger. People with panic disorder may experience anxiety about having future panic attacks, leading to changes in behavior and avoidance of certain situations. Panic disorder often runs in families, suggesting a genetic component. Other anxiety disorders include generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, social anxiety disorder, and phobic disorders. Anxiety disorders have unique triggers and symptoms. For instance, GAD involves constant worry, while social anxiety disorder centers on fear of social judgment. Physical symptoms of anxiety can be accompanied by psychological effects like tension, a sense of dread, and seeking reassurance from others. Anxiety can be caused by various factors, including work or school pressure, financial issues, relationship problems, and health concerns. Stress and anxiety trigger the release of adrenaline, preparing the body for a fight-or-flight response. Persistent anxiety can lead to health issues like stomach ulcers and heart problems. To manage anxiety, treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and medications are available. Support groups can also offer assistance. Recognizing the signs of anxiety, such as headaches or overeating, can help individuals take action to reduce stress. Identifying personal triggers through journaling and maintaining a healthy diet are crucial steps in managing anxiety. Regular physical activity and relaxation techniques like meditation can support mental health and alleviate anxiety. Exploring new activities and socializing with friends or support groups can help shift focus away from worries and provide emotional support. Setting realistic goals and creating a plan can help manage stress and prevent feeling overwhelmed by various responsibilities. If anxiety or panic attacks interfere with daily life, consulting a healthcare professional for coping strategies and treatment options is recommended. There are numerous lifestyle tips for managing anxiety, including understanding personal triggers, eating healthily, exercising, and practicing relaxation techniques. Connecting with others and setting achievable goals can help mitigate the impact of anxiety on daily life, leading to better mental well-being.